Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to send files through airdrops from one iPhone to another iPhone that's around you. So the first thing that you have to do is just find the files that you want to share into your friends. You just need to find the files, and after that you just need to choose one of the files that you want to send and just go click and hold until several options is pop up over the documents. And after that you just need to go click this share button, and there will be an option to share these files, and the first one is the airdrops, and then you just need to go click it. Make sure that your friend's iPhone is also activating their airdrops, and after that you just need to go click it. And then you just need to wait until your friend accepting the files, and the process will be sent. So that is the way how to send files through airdrops. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.